Hey everyone, my name's Amy, and it's starting to get hot here in California, so I thought I'd make for you guys a recipe that's one of my favorites to make in the summer, a Mediterranean salad bowl. This is absolutely delicious, and I hope you like it. So I got the idea of this recipe from a website called Veggies Save the Day that focuses on a vegan Mediterranean diet. I modified the recipe just a little bit in the way that I like to serve it, and that's what I'm showing here. First, we're gonna take 1 pint of cherry or grape tomatoes and slice them into either halves or quarters. I have used a regular tomato in the past, but it just doesn't work as well because the middle part can fall apart and make the whole thing way too wet. You're gonna want to go with smaller tomatoes for this. After that, we're going to take an entire cucumber and we are going to dice it. Next, we're going to take 3 radishes and we're going to dice them up, or if you don't have a radish, you can always use a little bit of red onion as well. Next, we're going to dice up a bell pepper. You can use a red one, orange one, or yellow one, but I do not suggest using a green one because it has a completely different flavor. Alright, now that we have all of our veggies together, we are going to take this and put them into a bowl that's big enough. In this video, I actually didn't do that part. Make sure you have a bowl that's big enough for this. And then we're going to add in 1 full can of either white beans or chickpeas. Either works really well. Today I'm adding in some cannellini beans. In the video I do it in 2 parts because the bowl was way too small for me to add it all at once, but it is for 1 can of beans. Finally, we're gonna toss our salad dressing on top of this, and it's going to be the juice of half a lemon and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I didn't add that part in the video, but it makes it absolutely delicious. Now, when I serve this, I usually put it over a whole grain such as barley or brown rice, and then I put the salad on top of it, and will sometimes top it with some dried herbs like basil or parsley. Alright, so I really hope that you enjoyed this quick and super delicious salad recipe, and I hope that you always remember to love God, eat greens, get moving. See you in the next video, and enjoy.